My name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
So today, we are going to be doing literally one of our favorite dishes. We've probably made this 20 times.
Yes.
And now that we got this new, bigger 5-burner Pit Boss griddle, this is the first cook. We have to.
Yeah.
We have to.
I'm very excited.
It's chow mein. You could put any type of protein you want in it. Today we're going to do beef, so it's going to be a beef chow mein. Sometimes we do shrimp, chicken, whatever. Mm-hmm. Chow mein on the griddle, beef with Babe's magic sauce. And let me tell you guys, this friggin' sauce is banging. It is good.
It's really good.
It's really good.
Everybody loves it.
It's really simple. Mm-hmm. And with the udon noodles that you get in the store, the fresh noodles, throw that packet out that comes with it, or you could save it and use it for later. But you got it. You guys have to try this recipe. It's amazing. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
For our first cook?
Yes.
On the Pit Boss?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
List.
I'm ready for the shopping list. Are you ready for the shopping list?
This is our shopping list. You can add whatever vegetables that you like. If you want to add more, if you want to add less. I finally have convinced Josh to let me add carrots and snap peas.
Yeah, so let's talk about that first.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got beef.
Yeah.
We're using ribeye that we just cut up into cubes. Mm-hmm. So we'll show them that.
Okay.
So on your shopping list, thing number 1, beef, snap peas, carrots, broccoli, noodles.
These are in the refrigerated section. These are really good. They're thick, and you put them in the pot for like 2 minutes just to break them up, and they're already pre-cooked. They're very yummy. Okay, Sang stir fry oil. Actually, one of our fellow YouTubers, Booger 500, sent us this, and it is a garlic infused oil and stir fry oil. It's like the greatest thing ever, and Josh tells me I get a little too crazy with it sometimes, but that's because it's just so good. So good. So you can get this. We'll put a link below.
Okay, babe, let's talk about the shopping list, how to make your magic sauce. First things first, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of ginger, and you're going to need 6 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons ginger and 6 cloves of garlic. Then you're going to need 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. You're going to need 6 tablespoons of rice vinegar, a half a cup of soy sauce. You could put sugar in it, but we're doing no sugar right now. A half a cup of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then the secret ingredient, babe.
Me?
The sriracha. You.
My love?
The sriracha.
Yeah, you can put as much sriracha in as you like, to your liking. Spicy, not spicy. I don't know how much I do, honestly. Maybe 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. Depends on how spicy I'm feeling that day.
All right, babe.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's dump everything in, too. Let's make this sauce first.
Garlic and ginger, freshly chopped.
In the Ninja Foodie Chopper.
Yeah. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. You guys, this sauce is amazing. And we don't even put the sugar in.
Yeah, if you did want to do a sugar alternative, you could also do a little bit of honey or agave.
Oh, that's a good idea. I think we did honey once.
Yeah.
With this. And the cornstarch is just to thicken it a little bit. But this sauce, with the protein, with the noodles and stuff, oh boy, oh boy.
Okay, and then we're going to mix it all up. Make sure you get those chunks out of there. Turn it on.
What are you going to set it on, babe?
I'm going to start it on high
Yeah.
so that I can get it heated up nice and hot. I'm going to lay down my Sang's stir-fry oil, and then I'm going to do the vegetables first because they take the longest to cook out of anything. So let's
And then
get
you got
that
your
heated
pot
up.
of water here that you're going to put noodles in.
Yeah, I've got my pot of
You
water.
got your magic
going.
sauce. Yeah.
We're
Got our
ready to
protein
roll,
over
babe.
there.
Yep. On our new griddle. I'm very excited for this thing. I gotta be honest. All right, let's get our oil on. It's been on for a few minutes. It's heating up. Oh my gosh, there's like so much more space. I don't know what to do.
You're not used to working with something this big?
Yeah.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah.
Oh boy, you're going crazy with the oil again.
Yeah, I go crazy with it. Okay, so we'll put our carrots down first. It's our maiden voyage.
It's our maiden voyage on this griddle.
Yep. And then we'll put our broccoli down. And you want to make sure you have a bowl also and a little thing of water so that once they get started to get cooked a little bit, you can put them under that bowl, spray a little water, and steam them up. Space. Probably going to need more oil. Alright, so these noodles come in a little package like this with this little package of seasoning. We don't use the seasoning. So we just take these right out and put them in the warm water.
And really, it's only like 3 minutes.
Not even that. It's just
so that's
to,
at
yeah,
the very,
just to
very
break
end.
them up.
The very end.
Alright, just a little bit of water. Gonna steam these veggies up.
Yeah, man.
Water and oil don't mix, by the way.
No. But you want steam.
Alright, our veggies have been going about 7 minutes, so I'm now going to put a little more oil down and lay the meat down. Get that going, then we'll mix it all together. Okay, we're going to put our noodles in. Our meat is going to cook pretty quick. So these just need to lay in there for a minute or two, just to break them up. That water's getting nice and hot.
I would say you just stuck your finger in it.
See how they just break apart? That's all you really want it in hot water for. Right. And we're going to take them, put them in here. Okay, so I've put my noodles in. My burners are all on low. I'm going to add my sriracha to the sauce. How spicy are you feeling today, babe?
Oh, I don't know. How spicy are you feeling today?
I don't know. This is actually my first meal of the day. I don't know. Maybe 3 tablespoons. We can always add a little more if we need to. This is looking very yummy.
It's that smell the minute it hits the griddle.
Oh my goodness,
Oh
I know.
my.
The ginger and the garlic. All right, you ready? We're just going to pour this over. Even though we didn't add sugar to it, soy sauce has a lot of sugar. So you're still going to get that candied, that stick. The sticky candy from the sauce.
You got enough food to feed an army, babe.
Always.
Yeah, babe. Show the folks. That's just for you.
It's just mine. Actually, I'm not a leftover person,
Yeah.
and I'll eat those leftovers.
For days. You had it for breakfast last time.
I did. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
It's so
You got to
good.
get some noodles. You got to get some protein, and you got to get the whole package.
Babe,
The
love
magic
this.
sauce. It's the magic sauce.
it really is. I can't get any noodles out.
And it thickens up so nicely. So you just get the soy, the ginger, the garlic. It's incredible. We didn't put enough sriracha because I can't taste.
You need more?
I might put some on my plate later.
Okay. Are we doing
we're
plates today, or?
No, we're just gonna walk around the house with a giant bowl
Yeah.
all day.
And do you like those snap peas?
Oh no,
Make this.
I just don't like the carrots. What do you think?
Those are the best part.
Oh. So we got to thank our top tier channel members. We're going to scroll their name across the screen right now. Thank you all so much.
Thank you guys.
I must eat more.
And thank you to all of you who stuck around while we took our break. We appreciate that. We're excited to come back in full force and cook some more food.
That's true. We're trying to film. We're trying to film a little bit this week because I go back in the hospital next week. So
all that weight I've lost since we haven't been filming is probably going to go right back on.
Yeah, babe. Don't worry, you get a week off filming next week.
Says the girl with the giant bowl.
Says the girl with the giant bowl. All right. See you guys on the next one.